So I got this mounting pack for my Insta360. This is designed for GoPro, but a lot of the bracketing or mounting is the same. So you can use this on your wrist or your body, or obviously on your head. You got the clip as well. Let me kind of walk you through my experience of putting this on for the first time. All right, so you got these 4 different mounting systems, and you've got the 4 brackets. So you could use all 4 technically at the same time. You got your wrist, you got the clip here, ouch, ow. Then you got the headband here, and then the body thing here. So I'm going to try the wristband, and obviously I have to kind of do it myself, which is kind of tricky. All right, there we go. Not super secure, but not bad. Okay, so I can actually rotate one of these. So that's what I need to do. Hang on. Get the screwdriver here, loosen this up a bit, loosen it up a bit more. Looks like it locks into place. So we're gonna have to take this all the way out, pull that out, plop that back in. That is better. All right, so we absolutely can do different orientations. Now I can put this on my wrist. Looks like I need to tighten a little bit more. All right, it's a lot tighter. So now I can film with my wrist. That's pretty nice. So if I'm working on a project with my hands, I want to get what it's actually doing. If I want to film a little bit sideways, which I think I kind of do, then I can do that. So next up, we got this headband. This is the other thing that I will want to be using. Unfortunately, you don't look like a goober at all when you wear this, and especially when you're wearing a camera. I do have to get a different mount for this, so let's do that. All right, so let's see. Mount it on my head without looking. Kind of tricky. I got it. So now it's mounted on my head and it just looks like a headlamp. This is actually on there pretty good. So if I need to turn the angle or something, I can just move that. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. Yeah, so overall, you can see some of the footage I've been getting using this. It's really nice because it frees up my hands. That's what I need. I either need someone to film me at all times, or I can film myself with something like this that has the same view as my eyes. So that's really nice. Or if I want a close-up view with my wrist, I can put that on. It gives kind of an interesting look to it. Overall, I mean, the straps don't make me look any better, but it sure makes life a lot easier, and that's why I got these. These work just great. I do wish there was an easier way that I could turn this without having to unscrew it completely, taking it off, putting it back on, but I kind of get why they did that. You do want this as secure as possible, and the way they did that, it is very secure. So makes sense. It's nice that it comes with 4 of these, 1 for each mounting type, so you could use all 4 at the same time. This is a great set.